is one habit that has the power to completely change your life in 2026, not overnight, not magically, but deeply and permanently, it's journaling. And I know journaling sounds simple, almost too simple, but the truth is, journaling isn't about writing pretty sentences or romanticizing your life. It's about awareness, and awareness is always the first step to real change. Why journaling is so powerful. Most of us are walking around with unresolved emotions, repeating patterns, the same triggers, the same thoughts, the same problems, just in different packaging. And the reason they keep repeating is not because we're lazy or incapable. It's because we haven't slowed down long enough to see them. Journaling gives you something most people never take time to build: self-observation. When you write, you step out of autopilot. You stop reacting, you start noticing. And the moment you can name a problem, you've already begun solving it, because clarity is power. Awareness is the beginning of the solution. Here's something that completely changed my perspective. You don't fix what you don't understand. You can't heal what you avoid. And you can't change patterns you're not aware of. Journaling works because it forces honesty. On paper, there's nowhere to hide. No distractions, no pretending. You start seeing where your anxiety really comes from, why you keep choosing the same situations, what you're actually afraid of, what you truly want, not what you think you should want. And once you understand the root of a problem, it stops feeling overwhelming, because now it's specific, it's on paper. That's why journaling isn't just self-reflection, it's self-leadership. The function of journaling. At its core, journaling does a few very important things. 1, it organizes your thoughts. Your mind is chaotic. Journaling gives it structure. 2, it regulates emotions. Writing calms the nervous system. It creates emotional distance. 3, it reveals patterns. What keeps coming up, what repeats, what never changes. 4, it strengthens identity. You become someone who observes, reflects, and chooses, not someone who just reacts. And when your identity changes, your life follows. My 2026 journaling plan. In my New Year's 2026 plan, I decided to do something very intentional. Instead of journaling randomly, I set myself the goal of journaling on one main topic each month. So for example, 1 month focused on self-worth, 1 month on relationships, 1 month on discipline, 1 month on fear, money mindset, identity, healing, confidence. That way, by the end of the year, I will have deeply explored so many areas of my life. Not surface level thinking, but real understanding. And I truly believe this will improve my mindset, strengthen my sense of self, help me make better decisions, and change how I show up in my life. It's like a personal transformation project, but written. And honestly, if this resonates with you, I think this is something anyone can try. You don't need talent, you don't need motivation, you just need honesty and consistency. Journaling methods that can change your life. Now let's talk about how to journal, because there's more than one way. 1. Brain dump journaling. This is the simplest method. You write everything. No structure, no filter, no grammar rules. Just what you're thinking, what you're worried about, what's heavy, what's confusing. This clears mental clutter and reduces anxiety instantly. Best time to do this is either in the morning, before bed, or when you feel overwhelmed. 2. Prompt-based journaling. This is when you write using specific questions like, why does this situation bother me so much? What am I avoiding right now? What am I afraid would happen if I tried? What version of me am I growing? Prompts guide your awareness. They help you go deeper instead of staying on the surface. 3. Identity journaling. This one is powerful. You write from the perspective of the person you're becoming, the version of you in 2026, the woman with stronger boundaries, clarity, and confidence. Questions like, how does my future self handle challenges? What standards does she live by? What does she no longer tolerate? This rewires your self-image. Shadow work, the journaling method that changes everything. Now let's talk about shadow work because this deserves its own space. What is shadow work? Shadow work is the process of exploring the parts of yourself that you usually avoid, suppress, or judge. Your shadow includes jealousy, anger, insecurity, fear, shame, limiting beliefs. Not because you're bad, but because at some point you learned it wasn't safe to express these parts, so they went underground. Why shadow work works? It works because what you suppress controls you, but you face loses power. When you don't acknowledge these parts, they show up as self-sabotage, emotional reactions, toxic patterns, repeating cycles. Shadow work brings these unconscious patterns into consciousness. And again, awareness is the beginning of the solution. The function of shadow work. The goal is not to judge ourselves. The goal is to understand ourselves. Shadow work helps you identify emotional triggers, heal old wounds, take responsibility instead of blaming, stop repeating the same lessons. It integrates your personality instead of fighting it. How to do shadow work? Here is how you can start. 1. Choose a trigger, something that made you emotional, defensive, or uncomfortable. 2. Ask yourself, why did this affect me? What am I afraid of here? What does this remind me of? When did I first feel this way? 3. Write without censoring. Let it be messy, let it be honest. 4. End with compassion. Ask, what does this part of me need? Shadow work is intense, but it's freeing. What you can expect from shadow work? If you're consistent, you'll notice emotional maturity, fewer triggers, stronger boundaries, self-trust, deeper confidence. Not fake confidence, grounded confidence. The kind that doesn't need validation. How journaling can change your life in 2026. If you journal consistently in 2026, here is what will change. You will stop feeling confused all the time. You will understand your patterns. You will respond instead of reacting. You'll trust yourself more. You will make decisions aligned with who you are. You'll outgrow situations that no longer serve you. Journaling doesn't change your life by itself. You change your life. Journaling just shows you how. So if 2026 is the year you want clarity, growth, and a stronger sense of self, start writing. One page, one topic, one honest conversation with yourself at a time. And maybe by the end of this year, you won't just have notebooks full of words. You will have a completely different mindset and a much stronger identity. If you want to learn more ways to journal, especially for mental health, anxiety, and stress, I have a separate video for it, so make sure to check it out. Until next time, bye!